Today we are working on getting the studding up for using these along here, horizontal studs, and a couple other things. I have some of this stuff so we can put the wiring through it. Like, I'm just going to set up where the wiring is going to be, and then we will be good to go. Alright, so cutting all the fairings to size, so that way we can have something that we can screw the wall to and anything that we're trying to hang on the wall, like the cabinets or anything else. A lot of the wood was really warped. We had to deal with what we had because I tried multiple different places to get wood and it was always warped. And you'll see in the next coming videos that it makes an effect on stuff, but structurally everything ended up working okay for the most part. So it's going to need to be screwed down to get rid of that warp, but that's what we want to do. I was supposed to do this earlier this week probably, but we have set a date since we are trying to get to TwitchCon, and we also have a surf trip with my friends, that we are going to be leaving the 25th of September. It is the 17th right now. We started of August. And we started this 3 days ago, so this is day 38 of 40.
Oh. I think 37 actually.
No, we had 37 more days after today, but it's 38 because Sunday was.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, it's Wednesday. You're right. Oh.
Yeah.
We need to, at minimum, have the walls, the floors, and the ceilings, along with the bed and electricity done. After that, the rest could be done on the road, but without that, it would be difficult to have the rest done on the road.
Dana would prefer it not to be done on the road. I just don't want our stuff like flying everywhere in the vehicle. Like, we need to figure out how to secure it.
Alright, so before we get started with the 40 days grind, we wanted to make sure the van was fully clean of everything else so we're not walling something off that's gonna just be hazardous for health, because there was a lot of really old dog fur and stuff like that in there. We wanted to clean up under the chairs, and also we were going to be putting a heater under Shayna's chair, so we just needed to completely take the chairs off the tracks. Oops, forgot the seatbelt. Plenty of little hidden goodies under the chair. We wanted to put an exhaust fan in there for whenever we're cooking so that it didn't get too humid inside the van. So this is us just trying to see if it would block the door. We ended up deciding if we put any siding on the door that it would be in the way, so we put it on the other side of the van. We kind of rearranged the organization inside the van anyways, where we wanted everything to be whenever it was built. The rest of the summer before this, we did also get season passes to the local theme park, so that was what we spent some of our time doing. I just wanted to give it a little bit of attention to these clouds because they look pretty cool. Have a good one. See you in the next video.